Alright, it's your boy Keenan here. Keenan just felt like cooking. You know what's up. So we got little clouds up here. You know, I'm gonna try to still get my grill on real quick before it starts drizzling. Supposed to expect some rain, light drizzles. I don't know. You never can trust the weather. Nowadays, weather has been really acting up across the country. So, but check this out. Got my grill set up. Alright. I'm out of charcoal. Got to get some. But I got these Jim Beans bourbon oak barrel wood chips right here soaking up. I'm gonna get these bad boys drained out. We're gonna line them up in the smoker, turn it on. We're gonna get some steaks going. Check it. Look at this. Look at this. Got these ribeyes. That is uno, dos, tres ribeyes. Got all three of these bad boys for like under $15. I don't know what's going on with cows, but appreciate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these bad boys, of course, with a little Goya, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. And then I'm gonna baste it right before I pull it with some of this boysenberry barbecue sauce I got from Knott's Berry Farm when we went out there for Knott's Berry Farm. This was good. They served it with some chicken meatballs, so I had to get a bottle of that. You know, ain't no need. I mean, you can make your own, but I mean, they got that a lot. So I'm gonna sprinkle these bad boys. Remember, sprinkle high and low. There's no need to show the sprinkle. You know, sprinkle up high so you get an even coat all over your meat. I'm just gonna put a light seasoning on here. The main flavor is the beef and the smoke, and then it's gonna be complemented by this boysenberry barbecue sauce. Boysenberry barbecue ribeyes. Your boy Keenan just felt like cooking. So I let these steaks come to room temperature. You know, that's what you do. You want your steaks to come to room temperature. You don't want to throw them on there cold because they get all tough and tight and just not good. All right. So we got some smoke going. Check this out. Got a little smoke action. Got them oak barrel chips in there cooking. Look at that. Got my little tongs. Got my steaks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I seasoned these bad boys right in the package. You know, you don't need to dirty up nothing. They come with a plate. So we got a little room in between them so they don't be in there steaming and get all sticky. So you know the thing is, don't touch them. Back in about 2 minutes. Alright, yeah, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see what we got here. So we cook it on direct heat, like always when you're dealing with these electric little grills. You know, that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit here and babysit these bad boys like big old pieces of bacon, and I'm gonna leave the top off for a minute to get a little caramelization and crust forming, and then I'm gonna flip them, put the top back on, be back in 2 minutes after that, and then babysit them after that. I'm not a rare eating meat guy. I like my meat I like that blood out of it. That may piss a lot of people off. There's a lot of debate on that, but I mean, this is what your taste is. So I don't, you know, maybe a New York strip, you know, I may have a little pink, but these ribeyes I want done because these bad boys is tender. They don't need to be pink and bloody. That's why, you know, if I get some prime rib from the buffet, I want that end piece, but then most likely I'm not gonna get it because it has rosemary all on it, and I'm allergic to rosemary. So we had a little flare up for some grease popping right there. Yeah, this is all good. I'm about to sit here and babysit these bad boys, flip them, cover them, and check them 2 minutes after that, and then hopefully start the basting. Back in a minute. All right, I had to show this. Had to show this. All right, they flip. All right, we're gonna get these covered. Back in about 2-3 minutes. I think it's about time to start basting. My little baster. These were a set. I just got different colors. It's like 2 for $5. Bed, Bath and Beyond. But that place is dangerous. You go in there and get lost. So, as you can see, these are coming along just fine. Oh, look at that now. See. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is, I'm only going to baste 2 of them because I tasted a little piece, and the seasoning that I put on there is so good with these oak wood. I need to taste some natural. So we're just putting a light coat of this barbecue sauce on here. So I'm gonna kill the heat. I'm gonna unplug it and just let it cook on the residual. The coals is hot. It's still hot up in there. These bad boys is pretty much done, and I'm just gonna babysit them on this residual heat. I'm gonna flip it, let this caramelize, glaze the other side, probably do about 2-3 times, and just keep watching this one. All right, let y'all check it out when it's done. So like I said, went on ahead and flipped and babysit these bad boys. I basted this one and this one with the boysenberry barbecue sauce. Left that one all natural. So them bad boys is looking good. Keena's Trace Ojos. Yeah, so we gonna get these bad boys pulled. I got my little place set up here on top of my grill. You know, get all your stuff set up. You're gonna be fumbling. Bam. 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 Alright. So we got the meat done. I'm gonna wrap these bad boys and just let them hang out. And get some sides together. We got some Yukon Golds boiling. We're gonna do some mashed potatoes, and then I'm gonna saute up some of these French style green beans with a little bit of garlic and lemon juice. All right. So that's what I'm talking about. Some of them French style green beans, frozen bag. I put both bags in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes just to break the ice up. So I'm gonna let this ice evaporate. We'll let the ice melt, and then let the water evaporate a little bit. Then I'm gonna add a little butter, some garlic, some Goya, some black pepper, and then probably about a tablespoon of minced garlic, kind fresh out the jar. And right here, we got the Yukons boiling. So French style green beans, Yukon Gold mashed potatoes, Ribeye Steaks, Tres Ojos. I got 3 of them, and I basted 2 of them, and some of the Knott's Berry Farm boysenberry barbecue sauce. Yeah, back in a minute. So, all the water. All right, see you later. My mother-in-law, she's leaving. Brought my boy probably one of the coolest costumes I've ever seen. I gotta show y'all that. Let me see the costume. Look at that. I mean, if I was skinny enough, I would rock that. And he getting mad, and that's going to be the coolest Halloween costume I've ever seen on my kids. Here, son. All right. So we got the water evaporated, as you can see. I'm gonna sprinkle a little Goya in there. Just a little bit. That's gonna get nice and toasty. All up in the camera. It's about a okay, there we go. About a tablespoon of butter. And a little lemon juice of half a lemon in there. Just to wake it up, man, that smells good. And a tablespoon of crushed garlic, and that is fresh out the jar. So I'm gonna get this mixed up, finish sauteing them up. They're pretty much done. Just get the flavors mixed together. Oh, I need to put a little bit of, you got the steam from the potatoes happening. A little bit of black pepper. Alright, we're going to get these mixed up, finish sauteing them, get these potatoes done. We're going to put this meal together real quick. Keenan just felt like cooking. Threw on 3 ribeyes. Grilled them up. Basted 2 of them with the Knott's Berry Farm barbecue, boysenberry barbecue sauce. Not just regular barbecue sauce, boysenberry, fresh from Mrs. Knott's herself. And I left the other one plain because it tasted real good. So as you can see, this stuff is getting to know each other. I'm going to mix this up, put a plate together, let y'all check it out. Found some shrimp. Throwing these bad boys up. I'm going to whoop these up. Just going to saute them up. That's a little butter. Found this little fish seasoning here. I'm going to season that. Chef Marito. Okay. A little black pepper. Some parsley. Quick little scampi. Do with them green beans. French style green beans sauteed up in some butter. Some goya, some black pepper, some crushed garlic, and some lemon juice. And those bad boys taste good. And then we got them mashed up Yukon Golds right there. Yeah. Hook that up real quick. We're going to finish these shrimp up. They ain't going to take long. We're going to put a plate together. Let you check it out. We finished. Got the mashed Yukon Golds. Got the sauteed French style green beans, garlic, butter, lemon juice. Had some shrimp in the freezer, thawed them out. Did a quick little scampi on those with the little fish seasoning. And then here go the ribeye. Part of that Tres Ojos. So the one on the back end right here, that's the one that's just got the seasoning on it. This one right here, they got that glaze of the boysenberry barbecue sauce that we got from Knott's Berry Farm. So this is probably like my favorite part of the steak. Alright, I like that little belt part. Easy to come off. I mean, you could throw that in a hot dog bun. So let's get a bite. Alright, here we go. There's the steak. Oh yeah. It's looking good. Got that nice little piece of fat hanging off. That's amazing. Quick little seasoning. Oak barrel chips. Jim Beam's oak barrel chips. Bad boy. I mean, for real. That's amazing. Oh, I'm gonna get a little piece of this one with the barbecue sauce on there. I just cut that with a fork. Oh yeah. Perfect glaze. You don't need to saturate it or soak your meat up and have it all gloppy. You just need a thin layer of that barbecue sauce on there. Complements the smoke and the beef. And shrimp. Chef Marito pescado seasoning. On point. I already taste the green beans. They good. The mashed potatoes is good. They came out amazing. This your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Whip something up real quick for a Saturday afternoon. Be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, one.